Here we go.
Oh, nice. Oh. Got it, Ron?
Yep.
That's a nice one. Oh my goodness. Fatty, Ron. Nice one, brother.
Yeah. Take another cast. He hit twice.
You did, huh?
Well, alright folks, here we are. The only places you can fish all trout all year round. This is a Minnesota State Park, so this area is catch and release all the time anyway. But within the easement here, you have great angler access. We'll probably see some spawning fish today, and I'll steer clear of those. But I'm guessing this is going to be real low. And I left the hoodie in the car today, folks, because it's 42, 43 degrees. Looks like we're going to have some sun. In past seasons, you would have witnessed all snow here, but we don't have snow here today. And I'm not going to use a size 15 like that. I'm going to go down. I'm going to start with a 9. And if I have to go smaller even, I will. See you on the stream. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with is this silver 9. Silver hammered blade. You can see the bead there. You can see that this has a reddish plastic bead too, and then a pink and a white silver specked tail. And that's a smaller hook than I normally use. That's a size 8. So we'll see what we get out of that. Got a cliff edge or a ridge edge there. Let's go with another number 9, a gold. I think that's a green bead. I'm not so great with colors. Might be red. Okay, folks. So I was getting a drink of water, and I saw a fish feed twice over there. So let's. Nothing doing with that. Per second. That should drastically improve my slow motion resolution. Ah, and there's a fish. Let's see if we can keep him on. This will be a brown trout. We will find brown trout here. That's it. Won't be any brickies here. And this is about the size of brown trout that I would expect. It's a good hit though. And that is a gorgeous fish. Cool spots on him. He's got some black spots down below the red. Pretty awesome. All right, no skunk. Ha 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 ha. I don't even know where that guy came from. Another little brown right at the end. He might have been hanging around from the last retrieve. The video will let us know on that. Boy, he got all that. So it's not the size of the lure. I'm doing pretty well there. It's can't really find some decent ones. Come on, here you go. Yeah, that's another pretty little brown, about 9-10 inches. There he goes. Looks like red's right there. Here's a nice brown. Lighter. He pounced on that. Best one of the day. I can't say he's big, but that looks like about a 10.5 inch brown. Very nice looking fish. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just about a foot to the end, so he's 10.5. Pretty brown. There he goes. There's a fish. All right. I don't have a good place to get him with water, folks, but he's not hooked badly. Oh, come back here, don't do that. Okay. Yeah, nice little brown. Oh, boy, didn't want to do that. Come here, you. Come here, you. There he goes, down in. There's a brownie. That's a nice solid hit. Pretty brown. Let go of me, buddy. Pretty brown trout. That one's a little smaller, about 7.5, 8. There he goes. I think there could be a nice fish in this mess somewhere. There's a fish. The same size again. And I would be shocked if we caught a brookie here, folks, I tell you, but I suppose it's possible. Pretty fish. Another fish, all right. There's the first multi-fish hole. Another beautiful brown. Pretty fish. Where's the big one in here? There's a better fish. Yeah, no, all about the same. Oh, this guy got himself wrapped, so he seems bigger than he is. Gold number 9 is it today, but another real pretty brown trout. There's a fish finally. What do we got there? A little brown there. Pretty little fish. Pretty little fish. Yeah, I can get out here, and I will. Well, all right, folks, there we go. Finishing up the 2024 season. This will probably be my last time out, unless something just fabulous happens. But I'd like to say thanks again for the support and comments on the channel. Really appreciate the feedback and being able to get some high quality videos out to you guys. So I do have a 2024 top 10 ready to go. And I think this will air first, and then I think I'm going to put together a premiere session for this 24 top 10, and we'll open it up to not so much just looking at the movie, but a discussion with questions and answers from people. So if you'd be interested in that kind of thing, put a comment down below and we'll see what we can figure out. And as always, thanks for watching Wisconsin Trout Fishing, and happy fishing in 2025.